Plus, if it's more food porn you're looking for, I got it. We somehow talked Joy and Ann into cooking for us again. Her fried shrimps were to die for. Made Beth do her happy dance.
Thank you, Joy. So obviously, Joy can't come to your house and cook for everyone because she's opening her new restaurant. And Joy's gonna attempt to do her line in English right now. Joy, action.
Come to me. Oh, come to me.
That's good, that's good, that's good. That's okay. Come see me.
Come to see me. I will cook for you. Enjoy Thai restaurant.
Enjoy Thai restaurant. I'll post
Yes.
the address at the end of this video with a link.
Okay.
Goodbye.
To watch the full episode of Dirt Cheap with Chaz Bruns, click the link below.